The average high-level agency is charging $97 a month, and there's no reason why you should be doing that when all you have to do is add one very simple thing and you can start charging $4.97 per month. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have got a series of ad template releases. I think we're doing 4 today, and I'm gonna actually give you the exact thing that you need to start charging $4.97 per month. All you need is a simple niche. You need 2 to 3 proven ads and then a simple high-level snapshot, and boom, you could be charging $4.97 a month and then start scaling from there. That's right, these are client-ready ads that you can start running today. Check out the video.
All right, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to walk you through today's template release. And what you're going to see today, here are 4 different ad creatives that you can use, start reselling, and make money today. You guys, if you're selling just high level, if that's what you're building your agency on, the average high level agency is doing between 97, 197, and if they're lucky, getting 297. You add on these services, running ads for local businesses, and your bottom price is $4.97, and you can scale up to way higher than that. So we're going to show you today how you can get started. Now, I'm going to give you actually, I'm going to show you how these ads work. We're going to walk through the offers, and then I'll show you how you can get them. But I'm also going to share a really cool secret kind of buried in this video for the people who really want to make money in the agency game. Keep watching, watch the whole thing, because there's going to be a cool little tool that I'm going to share with you so you can really take your agency to the next level and start making some cash. So what do you really need in order to make a killing as an agency? Well, you need 3 things. You need a specific niche, a strategic niche. If you have watched any of my previous trainings or videos on this channel, you know I'm very big on niche specific. Number 2, you need a small collection of ads that you can resell over and over and over again, and you want them to provide an outcome for that specific niche. And then number 3 is you need a simple lead nurture system that you would get with HighLevel, right? And so a snapshot that will help nurture these leads. And we have one of those for you. So stick around. I'm going to walk you through this. Now, before we jump into the templates, because we have 4, like I said, to go through here with you today, what I want to show you is something called the UpHex Ad Critic. Okay. And I've kind of done this beforehand. That way we don't have to watch it develop everything. But what we did was we took the ad that we just looked at, we dumped it into the UpHex Ad Critic, which has been trained on what top performing ad creative does and what it looks like. Okay. And it's looking for very specific things. So the first thing it asks is, who are we? What are we doing? And I said, we're a lead generation agency trying to get leads for nail shops. Okay. And it read through the whole thing. What we're looking for is likely to attract. If it's a likely to attract, that's an on in our playbook here. Okay. So this thing is likely to attract. Now, if it was a B, it would tell you what you need to improve to get that creative up to the proper click-through rate. But this is a cool tool. Now you're seeing this on ChatGPT. We have this hardwire. This is one of the small, I guess you would say, levers that we have baked in to the back end of UpHex. But I wanted you to see what we were doing here in the back of this, so that as we go through each one of these, you can understand where that grade is coming from. Okay, so this first one, let's jump into this first one. This gets an A+ on our performance algorithm. It is for nail shops. And here's the offer. Treat yourself to a luxury gel manicure for just $29, regular $60. Okay, I mean, really, this one is really, the nice thing about services like these, they speak specific to a very motivated audience. You don't have to do much other than discount the price to really get this thing cooking. There are a couple of really cool techniques that you can do that allow you to take this one ad and resell it again and again. My favorite technique for this one specifically would be something seasonal. So whether it's related to a holiday, you could do this offering, say Merry Christmas, special. You could do it for, New Year's, whatever it is. You take the same offer and you wrap it again, but just with a different reason why you're doing that campaign. So this is available in the UpHex ad library, which, by the way, I'm showing you campaigns that are ready for you to launch. Even if you're brand new to Facebook ads, you can add this into your agency and your customers or you can click them and off they go. We have over 1,000 templates in the UpHex ad library that you can just click on and start using. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is a dental clinic. So this one has an A. You notice this one does not have an A plus. Why? Well, because the dental industry by itself is very, very competitive. And if you've watched any of my other trainings, what we talk about is how to take templates that have an A grade or templates that are looking good already, but narrow them down even further. So we have our own bespoke ad template, and UpHex allows you to edit these templates and make them your own. They become your own IP. And that's not very hard to do. Again, with our tools, we can help you do that really fast and really easy. Within a couple of minutes, you got this thing tuned in. So let's go through what the offer is. And you'll notice the ad creative, the dentist in this case, is holding an image of the smile there. And what is the actual offer here? All right, this week only seize the chance to secure your 3D all on 4 preview and implant consultation for just $47, down from $250. And then we go into the urgency and scarcity. This thing is a winner. It'll get really good leads. Now, if you add some specificity to it, okay, like, whether it's a particular audience, whether it's a reason why, you can get this thing tuned up to an A plus. Now, we're going to go, this is a little bit different for us. This is a B2B ad. Most of the ads in the UpHex library are B2C. That's all you need to start getting leads for those clients. But if you want to say, hey, I would like to get some ads for a dentist, this is a great way for you to start. 7-point funnel audit, give them the opportunity to opt in. I will say dental is a very crowded niche, but if you wanted to get in and run these ads have gotten an A plus algorithm, performance algorithm rating. So pretty good. All right. This one is an A. Now, why is it an A? It's the same reason why the dental ones were an A. Real estate is highly competitive. Now, you would get leads with this campaign, definitely. The lead cost would probably be pretty good. But if you want these things to be really dialed in, go check out my other video that I did. I did a niche release on dental, I think maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. And it was all on how to position, I'm sorry, not dental, but real estate, how to position yourself as a realtor. And if you can do that, you're going to get an A++. If you follow that, not only going to get A++. This one right here will absolutely work. You'll make all your real estate agents' dreams come true if you want to get them people who are ready to ditch the rent and go all in on buying a house. Now, the last one here, this thing has an A+. Why does it have an A+? Well, the visuals all alone are going to really stop people. The visuals on this campaign got a really high rating. And then the offer is incredibly good. A full home inspection, targeted treatment for one active pest. And most of these places, they're not looking for one active pest. Okay. Entry point ceiling recommendations. Now, this is really good. This is what we call a self-discovery offer in the agency game. I mean, you want to know, I would, if I had these creepy crawly things in my house, I would want to know from where they are coming. And that's what these people want to know. So this thing is an amazing initial offer. Now, here is one really cool thing. I told you that if you watch this video, I was going to show you a really cool trick on how you can take any of these ads and build and make money. Okay. All of these things are ready to pull off the shelf. So we went to the ad critic, we got a grade, we understand how that works. Well, if you've seen any of my trainings on this tool I built called the Niche Navigator, then you've seen me go through a process to where I basically give it a niche, and then together with a conversation and different prompts, we find a way to not only niche down to a sub niche, but position myself inside that sub niche so that I can compete. Okay. So that I am unique, so that I have basically I'm not competing with everybody else. Well, I've been playing around with this thing and I made a couple of modifications, if you will. So here's one really cool thing that you can do that will it will make your results crazy. So we're going to go ahead and dump in this ad. Okay. We're going to say, based on the B2C ad I have given you, and I always type like I speak, create a agency model grid for a person who is pretty new in the agency game. All right. We're reverse engineering our agency model here, you guys. That is what we're doing. All right. So right out of the gate, this is what it does. And this is so cool because in the old way, if you saw my old videos, we started out basically saying, okay, I want to be in this niche. Talk to me about how to get down to the nitty gritty on what the niche summary looked like. And then we're looking for ads to pair up with that. In this case, we're going right into the UpHex ad library and we're finding ads like the one I've been showing you, and we're just feeding it into the niche navigator. Now, if you want to get that niche navigator and if you want to get access to the UpHex ad critic completely free, here's what I want you to do. Go into the comment section of this video and say free course. So not only will I give you access to these GPTs, to these 2 GPTs, but I'll also give you access to a mini course that will show you how to install this model in your agency. Why? Because number one, ads make you the tip of the spear for any local business. Some businesses are going to do great, but just by adding a couple of things like this and that, but most businesses want more customers. It is the number one agency model by far. People make way more money by leading with this service than anything else. So if you want to get that, go down, comment below and say free course, and I will get those over to you. So this is the last one. Now, you guys, I appreciate you coming to the channel. I appreciate you watching this video. If you are not already a subscriber to the channel, please get subscribed. If you are trying to build an agency, if you're trying to build up that monthly recurring revenue, using UpHex is an incredible way to do that. Why? Because your customers can launch ads themselves and you can build monthly recurring revenue while they do it for you. Yes, you don't even have to launch ads yourself. You can let them do it. And it works for people who are entirely new. Why? Because we have over 1,000 ads in our library that are client ready. Just click, they go. Thanks for watching. Comment below. We'll see you on the next video.